Hello, my dear NEET PG friends. Dr. Dhawan here, your ENT faculty. Last few days before the NEET PG exam, and there must be certain question in your mind. Number one question is, sir, my friend is following this strategy of preparation or revision in the last few days before the exam. Shall I follow his or her strategy, or shall I continue with my own strategy? The very honest, very humble, very clear answer is, please follow your own strategy. You know what is best for you. No one, no friend of yours, no faculty member, you can decide what is the best policy to follow in the last few days before exam, because you know how you collected data, which subject really are very strong, and one more revision, quick revision, would make a tremendous difference on the exam day for you. That is absolutely your own domain. Please do not look around, please look within. Number two, shall I do GTs or not? Yes, please do, you know, 3 GTs in the remaining days, but these 3 GTs are mainly for the time management skills. And number two, they are meant to, create a simulation in your brain that how the exam day would be actually, uh, you know passing. So I would suggest for the GT, please wear your shoes, please sit down on the table and chair, please create the exact same environment which will be there on the exam day. Please keep a clock ticking over there, so that you know up to a certain level of the time you should have solved these many questions. Maintain a stable pace and do not take a break in between. And these 3 GTs should be simulation of the exact exam which is going to happen on the 11th of September, because that will be the main learning. So let your brain pass through this actual anxious phase of the exam in the same way as actually will be happening on 11th September. I would suggest please choose the same time period which will be there on the exam day. So these 3 exams would prepare you for the exam, anxiety, exam approach, time management, and a lot of things. Please do not bother about how many score you're getting in the GTs. Please, right now it's not a time to assess yourself, it is time to assist yourself. And that is the only thing. The exams are different. Exams are the days where the miracles happen, and let the miracle happen. Let do not anticipate wrong things. Just flow like a river which has got adequate knowledge. It may be lesser or more than somebody else in one or the other subject, fine, but you know what, you're fighting your own thing. You're walking your own path. Walk with grace, I would say. Walk with grace. Number three, choose a time to sleep. Actually, now a stable time to sleep. Please be super efficient on the exam day, in those hours of the day when the real exam will happen. So do not sleep in those hours when the real exam day, the exam hour, will be there. So choose a stable, absolutely consistent now time to sleep in the remaining days. We'll keep coming back to each other for such more discussions. We are fighting it together, and we'll really make a very clear sense out of this. Thank you very much. God bless you all.